What's going on, people? I figured I'd make a quick video doing a color demo. I'm going to do it on the Lureworks CutThroat dye number 240. It's kind of like a copperish color. Only got a half cup of plastic here. I've already drawn vacuum on and heated up above 350. So I'm going to start with 10 drops just to see what it looks like. That's 10 drops. Oh, wow. So it's a dye, so it's going to be very transparent. I'll probably end up doing 30 drops in here, but I just wanted to see. Turn this fan on. Give it another 20. So that's 30 drops per half cup. Never use this color, but I definitely plan on using it. We'll like to put some, I think, some small red flake in the top, and then put like a monkey milk bottom, or like a snow shine. So we'll leave it at 30. As you can see, that looks like a golden bronze, but you still have like that metallic color in it. Really small. So we'll shoot this after I heat it up. And then we'll see what it looks like. Spilled some. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what a cutthroat trout looks like. I think I've seen them, but I'm not a big trout fisherman guy. So around 340. I guess we'll just shoot a couple molds here just to see what it does. I'm going to use the Hog Salad Gilly 2.8, this AI Ecto Crawl, because it'll show difference in thickness of the bait, and then I'll shoot a 2.5 inch Epic Bait Molds neck crawl. So let's go ahead and get that ready. Shouldn't be too bad. If I even have enough, because this is only a half a cup. This Ecto Crawl takes a lot. I don't think we're going to have enough for the neck crawl, but it definitely got solid on me, so I don't think that went through. We'll be able to get a good reference though off this gilly and then the Ecto Crawl. This one really drinks down. Come back and see what it looks like at 30 drops. Alright. So we're back a couple minutes later. wow. Look at that color. Like I said, it kind of has like a bronze copper metal in it. I don't know if I'm too close to the GoPro or not, but that looks awesome. That would look good with a copper flake and maybe some red flake in it. So, I used baitplastics 242, just in case you're wondering. Alright, I like that color. Remember, it is a dye, so it will bleed. So you laminate it with another color, more than likely it'll leach into it. I have noticed with dyes too, you put worm oil in a bag and that shit just leaks everywhere. So let's see how these guys look. Oh wow, that looks really cool. I love the pattern on this and the way it swims. Use a chatterbait trailer when I'm trying to keep it up in the water column. So that is a really cool color. I can use that just by itself. So anyway, figured do a quick video on it. Once again, this is Lureworks CutThroat trout dye number 240. So you can see it on my finger. Made a mess. Thank you all for checking out. If you have any other colors that you want to see, let me know and I might have it. If not, I'm going to try to do this at least once a week so you guys don't have to go out and buy it before you see what it looks like. Peace.